limerick is a kind of sing-songy poem, usually humorous. John Barden has written a limerick.
This is a poem, a limerick. Take 2 seconds, it'll take me longer to explain it, but back in those cold days of February when we were all writing about, I got this calendar. It's probably familiar to most of you guys from Hempstead. And down in the bottom of February, I noticed that it was advertised February 26th, there would be a creative writing class meets at Merrick Senior Center Wednesday at 1 through June 4th. Well, I think it's gone beyond that. But I had just turned 60 years of age, and I said, I wonder if I could get in with this crowd. You know, maybe I'll go down there and see if I qualify. And these lovely folks opened their loving arms to me. So, in return, I got my hands on this book they had produced called Musings. You really got to get yourself some copies. I mean, it's fantastic. And as I started looking for some courage to come out and join the group, I wrote this lucky limerick. As I sat one morning perusing some writings, profound and amusing, I wondered out loud, could I write with this crowd? Now I'm smoozing with the authors of musings.